Airy Fairies.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm excited to share with you a fun and easy game to craft to help teach children about colors. As a parent myself, I know how important it is to make learning fun and engaging for our little ones. Not only do I want to give my kiddies a fun way to learn their colors but also make every day more exciting and fun before dinner. It's perfect to sneak in some learning during everyday playtime. As soon as the kids arrive home, they can choose a color by saying the color's name, and whatever game is in that color box is the game for the afternoon. It can be more exciting to mix up the games once in a while for the game to stay fun and surprising. Let me know in the comments below if you have any questions or if you'd like to see more content like this. the bubbles, blow the bubbles for the kids to try to catch and pop them. Free the frozen toys. Throw some toys in a tub, fill it with water and put it in the freezer, then give it to the kids to free the toys from the ice. Obstacle course. Build a little obstacle course in the house, use some pillows to jump, tables to crawl under, etc. Painting time. Get some paint, paper, paintbrush and let their creativeness flow. Charades. Write some words like animals on pieces of paper, put all in bucket and let the kids draw a piece, then act out the word with them. Building blocks. Bring out the Legos and help the kids build a castle, dinosaur, etc. Board games. Join the kids in a fun board game. Floor is lava. Lay out the blankets and chairs to stay off the lava. Keepy uppy. Blow up balloon pass to the kids to keep off the ground. Toys car race. Get all the toy cars and have the family race. Whose car will it make it to the finish line first?
Like and subscribe for more content.